Ability to reach in diversity will be the beauty and test of our civilization. Strength lies in differences, not in similarities. A very good morning to our respectful coordinator, Ms. Pyle ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, we welcome you all to the assembly of class 5B on Ek Bhart Shreshth Bharat, and we are representing the state Odisha.
Before we begin our assembly, I request all of you to stand up and join your hands to seek the blessings of Almighty. Gave us Ek Bharat. It is now the solemn duty of 140 crore Indians to collectively make it Shreshth Bharat. As we all know that we are shaped by our thoughts, we become what we think. Now I would like to call Rashi to present the thought of the day.
Unity and diversity is India's strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. There is unity in every corner of India. I repeat, unity and diversity is India's strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. There is unity in every corner of India. We all should be proud to be Indians. Thank you.
Of the day with us. Now I would like to call my friends Tanishka, Hussain and Jayans to update us with today's news. Narendra Modi announced Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign in order to honor the martyred brave hearts of the country in the run-up to Independence Day, underlining the importance of confluence various culture of India. Modi said, "We don't have to take forward the struggles. We have to take forward the Sangam and Samakams." The railways will operate a Bharat Gaurav tourist train covering destinations associated with India's freedom struggle to mark the 76th year of independence. Feeling the heat? Scientists revealed July to be the hottest month on record. They said Earth's temperature has been temporarily passing over a key warming threshold.
SWS put it, as we have sustainable development goals as the main theme. This year, there are inter-school competitions planned as the Confluence from 9th to 12th August in school. Many reputed schools of the Tri-City are participating in this event. Today's weather report is maximum temperature is 32 Celsius and minimum temperature is 26 Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friends, for sharing the latest news with us. A poem can bring happiness and peace. Now I would like to call my friend Gurnivas to recite a beautiful poem on Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat.
I think in Odia, speak in Hindi, write in English, I am an Indian. I pray to Lord Shiva, send Christmas cards, live near a mosque, I am the devotee of devotees. I was born in Odisha, live in Delhi, travel Kashmir to Cape, I am a true cosmopolitan. I wear lungi at rest, shorts at walk, suits at party, yet at heart an Indian. I am an Indian, fly a tricolor, cherish a rainbow in the universal sky. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurnivas, for reciting a beautiful poem with us. Let's dive into India's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Also discover the treasure it holds. As we all know that we are talking about Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat, I would like to call some of my friends to share some facts about it.
Bharat Shreshth Bharat was initiated on 31st October 2015 on 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat aims to enhance interaction and promote mutual understanding between the people of different states or union territories of India. The main objective of the scheme is to promote national integration among the people of different states and union territories.
It also promotes an atmosphere of mutual learning between the states and the union territories. The program pairs different states and union territories to exchange their cultural differences. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing some facts with us. Now I would like to invite some of my friends to take you on a journey where we will explore two states, that is Punjab and Odisha.
Welcome to our discussion on Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat. Today we are exploring the beautiful states of Odisha and Punjab. Let's begin by getting to know a bit about each state. Vidhi, would you like to start and share some unique aspects of Odisha? Sure, Ashwin. Odisha, located in the eastern part of India, is known for its rich cultural heritage and traditions. We also have the famous Odisha is also known for its different festivals like the Rath Yatra, Durga Puja and Kanak dance festivals. The state is also renowned for its ancient temples, especially the Jagannath temple in Puri and the Sun temple in Kolar. Odisha indeed has a captivating cultural and religious background. Thank you, Vidhi. Now, Sahaj, can you enlighten us about Punjab? Absolutely, Ashi. Punjab, situated in the northwestern part of India, is a land of voyage and agricultural abundance. It has a vibrant culture dominated by Bhangra and Gidda dance forms, which represent the joy and the spirit of the Punjabi people. Punjab is famous for its Golden Temple in Amritsar, a significant religious site for Sikhs. Thank you, Saj. Both states have such unique and diverse characteristics. Now, let's open the floor for questions and discussion. Irsheen, do you have any questions about Orissa or Punjab?
Yes, I do. Both the states seem fascinating. I'd like to know about the historical significance of both of their landmarks and monuments. Oh, I can answer that. Orissa is a home to incredible Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in 13th century. It's dedicated to sun god and designed in the shape of colossal chariot. The intricate carvings and architectural brilliance make it a must-visit place for history enthusiasts.
Absolutely right, Raj. And Punjab's golden temple, known as Harmandir Sahib, has a remarkable history. It was founded by the 4th Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji, and was completed by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The temple's architecture symbolizes the concept of equality and unity among all people.
Wow, that's fascinating. I didn't know about the deep historical significance of these landmarks.
It's always wonderful to learn something new about a diverse country. Any other questions or thoughts from the audience?
I have a question for you, Vidhi. Can you tell us more about Orissa's traditional art forms and handicrafts?
Of course, Raj. Orissa is known for its Patachitra painting, a unique art form that includes intricate detailing and vibrant colors. We also have the famous Odissi dance, which is one of the classical dance forms of India with graceful movements and storytelling elements. Additionally, Odissa's handloom sarees like Sarambapuri and Bonkai are popular for their beautiful motifs and designs.
Thank you, Vidhi. It's amazing to see how art and culture are woven into fabrics of each state's identity. How wonderful it would be if we could celebrate our festivals together.
Indeed, Rishi, exchanging cultural festivities will strengthen our bond.
And so, we witness the beautiful harmony of cultures of Odisha and Punjab. Let us remember that in this vast nation, each state brings its unique flavor to enrich our collective heritage. May we continue to embrace the diversity and celebrate the unity of India. May our nation shine with the glory of its diverse states. Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat. Thank you.
For making us learn about the two beautiful states. Now we would like to present a song in Odia.
Bonga
How's everyone? The assembly was so informative. Shall we have a quick quiz? You all were attentive?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So I'm going to ask you some questions. You can raise your hands, right? Alright, from this side. So children, can you tell me which state was being discussed along with Punjab?
Odisha.
Very good. Odisha. That is how we pronounce it. Now, can you tell me Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat? Which year this was started? The celebrations, the year in which it was started.
31 of October.
Very good. Which year? 31st October. And the year?
2015.
Is it correct? Yes. A big hand. Very good. Alright. So now this side. Children, you have to name one famous temple of Odisha that was discussed just now.
Jagannath Temple.
Very good. A big hand. Jagannath Temple. A very famous temple in Odisha. Okay. Alright, let me go back to that side now. So, the children just sang a song. In which language? What do we call that language? Oh, we don't call it Odisha. Just raise your hand. Okay. Very good. Clap for her. Alright. This side. The dance form. The name was mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Can anyone name the dance form? Dance form of Odisha.
What did you say?
You're raising your hand without listening to the question. The dance form of Odisha. Anyone from class 5, the assembly? Those over there. Okay.
Odissi.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. Let's clap for him. The name of the dance form was. Alright. Other than, so which side of India is Odisha located? It was very clearly mentioned there. Raise your hands, please. Which side? You've seen Indian map. Where is it located? Okay. Rehan.
East India.
Is that correct? Yes or no? It is correct. Let's clap for him. It is in the east of India. Now you have to tell me, class 3, where is Punjab located? Which side on the map you have to answer that? Just raise your hands. Raise your hands. Wait. Northwest. Is it correct? Clap for him. Very good. Very good. So that means you all were quite attentive and you learned a lot. Not just about Punjab but also about Odisha. So very well conducted assembly, ma'am. So well done, class 5. B, let's clap for them once again. And you all have become very disciplined. So let's keep maintaining that, right? So I hope you all had a good time learning Please keep your hands and feet to yourself and sit properly. Always. Just make it a habit. Right, thank you, ma'am.
For your inspiring words. Now I would like to call the students having their birthday this week, that is 7th August to 13th August.
My name is Yanshkar. I am from class 3A and my birthday is on 12th August.
Many feelings may come and go, but the feeling when we hear our national anthem raises our goosebumps is irreplaceable magic. Now I would request all of you to rise up for the national anthem and the pledge.
Responsible citizens of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, we must pledge to contribute positively to our society and environment. Now I request all of you to please be in pledge position. We pledge to be compassionate.
We pledge to be compassionate,
Responsible and mindful citizens.
responsible and mindful citizens.
We will work towards a better India,
We will work towards a better India,
nurturing its diversity and upholding its values.
nurturing its diversity and upholding its values.
As we conclude this assembly, let us carry the spirit of unity, excellence, and respect for diversity in our hearts. Together, we can make Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat a reality.
Priyansh to give the command for the national anthem.
School, stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now get ready for national anthem.
Yes,